Hi everybody, it is Jennifer Auer from Jersey Family Fun, live in Wildwood. As we promised you, we are headed down to Wildwood, big tongue twister there. We are in Wildwood for the weekend. Sometimes these things happen when you're going live. So we are in Wildwood for the weekend. We are guests of different Wildwood attractions in the area, as well as the Adventurer Oceanfront Inn. Sorry, I was just stunned by the beauty of the beach. We are right on the beach. I'm going to show you that a little bit in the background. I'll give you a better look at that in a minute. So while you're all joining us, we are going to be in Wildwood for the weekend. We are going to check out a variety of the water parks that are here, Maury's Pier, Splash Zone, doing the dolphin and whale watching cruise that I think a couple of you had recommended when we asked you about what we should do in our Facebook group for New Jersey families. So if you're not there, go check out our Facebook group, New Jersey Families with Jersey Family Fun. There's a link to it in the groups tab on our Facebook page. So we are here. Hi Bridget! So we are here. I'm going to show you the accommodations. I'm going to show you the beautiful view, and then we'll be sharing pictures and details throughout the weekend here and in our, there's a motorcycle in the background, on Instagram and Instagram stories, and maybe we'll even try out the Facebook stories. So I'm going to flip around if you have it so that you can see the beach and how amazing it looks right now. If you have any questions, please comment below. If they show up while I'm recording, I'm happy to answer them right away. And if they don't, then I will check back later tonight, look for your comments, and respond and answer any questions that you have there. And by all means, if you see something that you like, turn on the likes and the loves. So here we go. This is our view from the Adventurer Oceanfront Inn, the suite that we are in. It is just like steps from the beach. I love it. If you've been in Wildwood before, you know that classic iconic Wildwood sign with all the beach balls. We are not too far from there, which is just amazing. And down there you can see that there's another sign, boardwalk, with some of the beach balls there. Lots of great places to take pictures, so you can have those pictures for your memories. Here's the beach. It looks great. I know it's a longer beach, but it doesn't look so long when you look at it from this angle. And the seagulls are out and about. Beautiful, clean. This hotel does have complimentary parking for their guests. There's underground parking as well as regular parking available. So let me flip around. I am currently on the boardwalk, on the balcony, facing the boardwalk. They did provide us with a complimentary room so that we can show off to you what staying here would be like. This particular room does sleep up to 6, and I'm going to show you that. There is seating on the balcony, so you can sit out here, enjoy the beautiful sun. There's additional chairs in one of the closets. I'm going to go in through the sliding and screen door. There is an additional chair in the closet, so if you needed additional seating, you've got that. So this is going to be a different view. Normally we start our room tours at the front and work our way back, but I figured this time I wanted to start you with the view of the beach so you can see how amazing it is. There's air conditioning in the room. This is the main area. So we have a table there. It's got 4 chairs, but what I really love is that it actually has a 5th chair, so you have plenty of seating for the whole family. There is a TV there with the remote. All of the artwork on the walls reflects the area, which is really neat. So you can see their water parks, the rides. There is a chair there. Let me back up there. This couch is a sofa sleeper, so you can sleep 2 there. You have some storage space there, 2 lamps. What's really, really nice, full-size fridge and then cabinet space. And I'm going to show you what's inside the cabinets, because you can come, you can have a vacation here and not necessarily have to do the restaurants in Wildwood, although we're going to be telling you about some of the ones that are hosting us over the next 2 days. You can come make a meal in your room. So you have a 2 ranges stovetop there, sink, dishwashing basket. There is microwave there. You can see in the reflection of the artwork. In the cabinets, you have an ice bucket and pitcher. If you want to make some lemonade, you can see here that we have plates and bowls and cups and mugs should you want to make coffee. And yes, you can make coffee, because let me show you. Well, not on the counter, down below underneath the sink, there is a coffee maker, there is a toaster. There are some pots and pans and a strainer there for cooking. You have plenty of silverware there in this drawer and cooking utensils. You have another drawer there if you need to store any items. And then you have the trash can and the recycling there. There is a dividing screen between these two rooms. So if you're going to bed or you're putting the kids to bed early and you still want to be up and watching TV, you can certainly do that. This closes. I love that it's in great condition. It locks in place. My kids were laughing that they can get up early tomorrow morning and play their video games while I keep sleeping. They don't know what a packed day that we have. So these are two of the queen size beds in here. Large, plenty of lighting if you need that. We have it all turned on so that you can get the best view. The youngest guy is chilling, hanging out. You have a closet here, full length closet for storage of items. We shoved our bags there. There's a mini safe there. There's blankets, sheeting, blankets, sheets, pillows if you need that for sleeping on that sofa sleeper. Luggage rack.
Really cool.
Really cool. Thumbs up, 2 thumbs up.
Yeah.
So 2.
No, not 2.
2? A lot of thumbs up from the tween.
I'm not a tween, I'm a 10.
Yeah, that makes you a tween.
A tween is 11 or 12.
Okay, he's not a tween yet. All right, so you have storage space there. You can see you have a separate TV there. So if not everybody wants to watch the same thing, they don't have to. But again, there's so much to do in Wildwood, and you're probably here for the beach and those attractions. You're not going to want to sit around in the room and watch TV. So then we have the bathroom here. Sink, mirror, toilet. Towels look nice and fluffy. Some toiletries there. Shower. And then full-size tub and regular shower head there. There is a mat. I know that some people might be interested in whether or not there's a line to hang swimsuits. There does not appear to be, but if we find one later on, we will let you know. And then door opens up to the hallway, and we were not that far from the elevators. And there actually are, in the basement of the garage, there are actually carts, so you can use those luggage carts if you need to bring your luggage right up to the room. So let me take you back outside one more time because I want you to see this great view. So you can see, so it's still quiet Friday afternoon. It's 5:11 now. We left a little bit after school. I was pleasantly surprised that there was no traffic. So it was an easy ride down and really not hard to get to at all from the parkway. The hotel, what I'll also tell you, which you can't see from this particular video, is that the hotel also has a pool. So whether your kids like swimming in pools or like swimming in the water on the beach, you can definitely take advantage of those things as part of your stay. There's a restaurant on property. There's other restaurants within walking distance. There are the seagulls. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Again, we are at the Adventurer Oceanfront Inn. We will be here till Monday morning, so we can certainly find out everything that you want to know. And we look forward to sharing more with you. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great weekend.